Okay, welcome back to the Four Wind Solar Store's YouTube site. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new product that we've just built. It's a solar generator. It consists of two T105 batteries from Ray Battery. They're 232 amp hours, 12 volts combination. We have a Schüco mounting structure built completely of Schüco parts with the exception of the chassis of the trailer itself. This structure even contains a 165 watt Schüco solar module and some other Schüco mounting equipment. This system is all made of stainless steel and solid aluminum components made to last a very long time. The plastic wood decking also is 20-year plastic wood decking. The mounting here slide allows for adjustment of the module up or down approximately 10 to 15 degrees depending on if the box lid is open or closed. Now the lid itself in the box is your standard toolbox but modified with weather-tight connectors and an integrated DC connection on the outside, weather-tight as well. We have two outlets AC integrated through the box with an automatic on-off switch for power to the inverter and a USB charging port. The trailer itself is kind of handsome looking all the way around. It's nice and clean lines. It has a finished chrome label declaring a solar limited edition trailer. And there's our module, nicely conforms to the width. The total width is only, believe it or not, 31.5 inches. And it can fit through most doorways if you had to bring it out in or out of a shed. Now, opening up the box itself, you will see we have a ProStar 15 amp Morningstar controller. We have a WorkZone 1200 watt modified sine wave inverter. We could replace that with a pure sine wave if we chose to. We have currently two blocks for the DC loads out from the controller. We have one of them feeding an AC, DC cigarette port on the side for accessories. Box cover closed. Here we come around to the accessory outlet. There'll be one on each side. There's just one for the right side currently. We have this nice neat box here with an on-off switch with a light that swivels. Basically up, down, back, forth, give you lighting at your camp area. Here are your batteries again from another point of view. Your mounting rails and lines with your stainless steel clips holding everything in place properly. We've have this hooked up right now that we're playing our stereo here, but you can certainly run a 800 watt coffee pot, flat panel TV, many different assorted devices and appliances, both AC and DC. 1200 watts gives us 2400 watts peak load. These are heavy-duty all-terrain tires on this wagon, sporting the 5 lugs holding the rims together. This is made for some really rough country riding, and as a result, you see this handle is made so that you can flip it over and tow it from a trailer, an ATV or a tractor. The turning radius, as you can see, is quite impressive. You could do a 360-degree turn in both directions. That was by design. That was done so that we had the way we mounted the battery structure in a cradle with heavy-duty springs to hold the weight is keeping it clear from the front tire zone. So this complete package here will give you 1200 watts of AC, nice clean power. You have 232 amp hours of battery at 12 volts and 165 watts worth charging into that battery bank, which is a little more than you actually need for a one-day recovery on your average camp day. So this nice, clean, neat little package can be built, designed to your specifications, or you can always purchase the components from your local solar store like the Four Wind Solar Store in Connecticut. Well, thank you, and have fun, and a sunny day. Bye-bye now.